Morning, Variable Traders. This is Vicer, February 19th, 2020. Took a long trade on space today. As all of you know, space has been bullish. I, like most of you, are looking for space to go higher throughout the week. And so I took a long trade on space this morning. And what you're looking at here is a 1 minute chart. And this kind of like reddish orange colored line, that's a upper band of the 2 standard deviation. Gold or yellow is the lower band of the 2 standard deviation. Blue line, 9 moving average. White line, VWAP. And so what I was looking for, I went ahead and marked the high here, the pre-market high, which was 34.75. So my target for getting out of my position was 34.74. Yes, continue to expect space to push higher. However, I was just looking to make a quick day trade on this. I'll go ahead and show you my trades now. Okay, got in on this candle right here, 300 shares at 32.83. I'll go ahead and mark that off for all of you to see. And so I was looking for a price to pull back down close to the 9 moving average. And so got relatively close to the low there, got filled. And as soon as I got in, I set my order much higher in case space started skyrocketing. And then it brought it back down to 34.75. I've told all of you in many videos and in chat, I rarely partial. You see a partial here. I didn't do this. Price moved up, hit my order, filled 228 shares. And then I got filled on the next candle for the remaining 72 shares. So this, once again, this is small share size, but decent profit, $573. And continue to look for space actually to move higher, maybe towards the end of the week. Here's the weekly options chain on the call side. At the 40 strike right here, 6,242 calls were carried overnight, and there's already been 2,852 calls executed at the 40 strike. So definitely looking for space to push $40 this week, maybe on Friday. So that's my trade for today. Hope all of you have a great day and finish green and finish strong. And I'll see you in chat tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.